All right, let's unbox the Humixx car mount holder. All right, I've already taken the liberty of taking everything out of its plastic containers. So this is going to be a little bit different unboxing because I've really already unboxed it. It does come with some instructions. We'll set those over there. Then it comes with the main piece, which is the phone holder itself, and which works like this. It opens, you put your phone in, then you squeeze it shut, and it has a spot where you're going to hook it to whatever connector you have. So we'll set that there. And then it also comes with this connector, which you would put on your dashboard. It opens up this way, and it has a little thing here that where you can lock it down. All right, let's set that there. And then it also comes with the plate that goes along with this for your dashboard. Then it comes with the vent holder, and it has a little ball that connects to the back of this. And then, most importantly, you don't want to lose this, is your collar. And the collar always goes on first, like this, and then you can attach it like that, and then screw it on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So when you get it, goes like that, right? Take it off, you go the opposite direction, and then you can pull it off like that. Make sure you don't lose the collar, because if you want to use this, you've got to put the collar on first, then you're going to push it in, and then you're going to tighten it down, just like this. Okay, just like that. And so that's that right there. And then you can move it around, you know, so you can change directions with it. This is a little tightener here. This has a tightener here to lock this down. And basically, it would be like that, pretty much. So these are the pieces that you get with it. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, plus your instruction. And that's what comes in the car mount box. All right, and now I'm going to show you how to put it all together and how to use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use stuff like this. Peace out.